don't feel like that you're right there like you used to be. Why? Because he wants you to know and he wants you to understand that unless he do it, it won't get done. You understand how I knew that it had to be Jesus, even in the poem, taking the author in her mind through the words of that poem, because it's just me now. Because when I looked at the footprints one day, I was looking at the poem on the fabric, and as I seen the footprints, I noticed how uniform and how steady they was. It wasn't like as we was walking in the sand slipping and sliding. Sand wasn't kicked over here and it wasn't kicked over there, but all the sand was uniformed and it was just built to last. Y'all come on and tell God thank you. But one thing about the sand and one thing about standing, when you feel like that all hope is gone, when you feel like the regular sand is turning into quicksand, you can take the T that looks like a cross and you can hold on to it and you can get right back to standing. Y'all come on and tell God thank you. Anywhere you go, because of the T that looks like the cross, that'll turn your quicksand into a foundation of cement. Y'all better come on and tell God thank you. Because of the cross, you'll be able to tell the devil, no matter what he throws in your face, the next three-letter word in the word stand, you'll be able to tell and. You'll be able to say and. No matter what he does, and no matter how bad it gets, and no matter how people look at you while you determined to stand, and it don't make no difference no more, and look at me like you want to, and say what you want to say, and I don't care, and I'm still saved. Y'all come on and tell God thank you. Because a woman that's determined to be a daughter will learn how to stand in the midst of adversity, of the tightness, of the trial. Don't worry about other people getting what you got. Don't worry about jealous folks taking what belongs to you. Baby, they can't go through what you got to go through to get it. I heard my overseer say one day that if they had to go through what you had to go through, they would die trying. Y'all come on and tell God thank you. You ain't just sitting here in your right mind because you just sat there twiddling your thumbs. I don't believe that. I believe somebody here prayed. I believe you fasted. I believe you sacrificed. I believe you cried. I believe you wailed. I believe that you went further than sometimes it was meant for you to go just to be able to stand. I believe that even at times your eyes seen more than what they should have seen in order for you to stand. I believe that your spirit got hit in such a way that almost caused you to faint because you needed to stand. I believe that you gave up a lot in order to stand. I believe you're here tonight in this third night of the women's meeting because you're interested in standing. You're serious about your standing, God. No matter what comes, hell or high water, you're going to stand. No matter who says what, after you leave this place, you're going to stand. No matter what the enemy tries to say to you, you're going to stand. No matter who comes from your past after tonight, you're going to stand. I don't care what kind of memory the devil brings your way, you're going to stand. I don't care what kind of temptation presents itself, you're going to stand. I don't care if you have to pray all night long, if you have to seek his face all night long, you're determined to stand. Because standing means that you can be not only a woman, but you can be called a daughter. Y'all come on and tell God thank you. Come on and tell God thank you. On tonight, and I knew I would, get caught up. Y'all can sit down. Get caught up in the standing portion. I was at home and I was like unto the Lord, God, if you don't pull me out, I get caught up in the stand. Because there's something about the stand that just won't let you fall. Y'all come on and tell God thank you. I say it's just something about the stand that just won't let you fall. I don't care. You can look around your friends, your so-called friends, that'll tell you that lie. And at the time they might mean it. And I ain't mad. I'll be right there. I'll be right there. Girl, you can count on me. But if it wasn't for Jesus, when you